Hello friends, today I hope to explain you how to protect your DSLR camera and lenses from fungus. In generally, we need to know most countries have different relative humidity values. Basically, it may reach to 55 to 65 ranges. Therefore, it may cause to occurring more fungus activation of your camera sensor and mountable lenses. After fungus is spreading, it is very difficult to remove by cleaning. Now you may have a question, how to protect them? This can be done by reducing relative humidity to 35% to 45% standard ranges, because this range is harmful to fungus growing and other bacteria growing. Then fungus and other microorganisms will die. Now you have another question, how to reduce relative humidity? It is very simple. You can use a dry box for this. In this moment I hope to explain you how to use dry box correctly. Dry boxes are available in different sizes and different price ranges. There are two basic parts of dry box. First one is dry cabinet or sealed box, and other part is rechargeable dehumidifier. This unit has silica gel pack and indicator. It means some parts of indicators are silica gel are absorbing atmospheric water molecules. Therefore, relative humidity can be changed. When silica gel fully saturated with water, indicator shows pink color value. After charging, it will remove water molecules by heating. Then dried silica gel shows blue color. After charging, you can put this dehumidifier into dry box. Within 24 hours, you can see hygrometer shows below value for 30 to 20 to 30 value, relative humidity value. That range will case to your internal parts of DSLR camera, because some oils, lubricants of your mechanical parts will be dried. To control this, you can use a small air hole on top of your dry box. Then it means by rotating it, water molecules are absorbed by dehumidifier. When hygrometer reach to 35% of range, you can close the air hole. You can keep your camera safely at least 1 week or 2 weeks, but this may reduce time when you are opening the door of the dry box. It can be identified by hygrometer. When it reaches to 50 to 65 value, then you can recharge silica gel again. Now you have another question, how to place your camera and lenses on dry box? Most people storing them by opening lenses and opening body of camera. My opinion is don't do this. Please use body covering cap and lens covering caps, because this will reduce entering unwanted dust and unwanted moisture absorbing of them. By proper using of this, you can protect your DSLR, mirrorless, super zoom or any other camera and lenses from fungus and bacteria and other microorganisms growing on them. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new updates.